Captain, and I am super excited to share my awesome adventures with you today. We're going to talk about something really cool, embracing change and having a blast while doing it. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so let's start with a big word, adaptation. It's all about learning to fit in wherever you go. Just like a chameleon that changes color to match its surroundings. But guess what? We're like superheroes too. Finding ways to have fun and be happy no matter what changes come our way. I've got the coolest family ever. My dad is a ship captain from Turkey and my mom is from the Philippines. Sometimes my dad's home and sometimes he's off on adventures. And you know, we're always on the move, exploring new places and trying new things together. Back in the Philippines, life was like a dream. We're like explorers, always on the lookout for new adventures. When we moved, tasting yummy foods and learning about new cultures. It's like a never-ending vacation full of surprises. Back in the Philippines, life was like a dream. I had a bunch of furry friends, 7 dogs, a bunch of cats, even chickens and ducks. You know, changing schools can be a bit tricky, but hey, it's also super exciting. I've been to 5 different schools, and each one bring new friends and fun things to learn. Sure, it's not always easy, but I'm like a social butterfly, spreading my wings and making friends wherever I go. Back in the Philippines, life was like a dream. I had a bunch of furry friends, 7 dogs, a bunch of cats, even chickens and ducks. And you know what? Every day was a new adventure, from bike rides to karaoke parties with friends and family. Now, Turkey's my new stomping ground, and it's pretty awesome too. I live in a cool apartment, and my days are filled with soccer, school, kickboxing, and learning Turkish. Weekends are for park adventures and family fun. It's like a never-ending party. You know, it's not always easy saying goodbye to friends and pets when we move to new places. It can be really tough. Sometimes I feel sad, but you know what makes it better? My amazing family. We stick together through thick and thin, and their love and support make even the hardest days feel a little bit brighter. We laugh together, we share stories together, and we hug away the sadness. Because with them by my side, even the biggest changes don't seem so scary anymore. Hey, it's okay to feel a little down sometime. We're all human, right? But you know what helps? Talking about our feelings, spending time with loved ones, making funny jokes together. And remember, we're all unique. So let's celebrate our differences and have fun along the way. Thanks for joining me on this emotional yet incredible adventure, everyone. Let's keep embracing change, cherishing our family bonds, and making the most out of every moment. Because with love and support, we can overcome any challenge that come our way. Peace out, friends.